Hey everybody, you watching GT Sam? I'm Sam, and we're doing a quick little video here on working on a Toyota Avalon 2006 era, and we're trying to get the alternator out and in. Now, I got a little tip and trick here for you using this. Let me show you. There you see, alternator. We got a new one in right here. We got a 14 bolt here, 14 down below. Not too bad, but the real crux of it is getting all the way back in there. You've probably seen videos about this, but let me show you a little bit more. Okay, as you can see right there, that bolt, that's for a bracket, and on the left, there's another one too straight across on the left, and those are two 12s. Now, to get in here, you're gonna come straight and then off to the side. What do I mean? Okay, so right off to the right here, right behind the oil dipstick tube right here, you go straight in off to the left here. Let's see if I can show you a little bit. First off, I have an extension set up like this. So a little extension right here, and then went ahead, I have a little adapter right here to go into this bigger 12 impact socket. So go right here, come down a little exhaust manifold on top of the oil dipstick, just straight across, and you'll be able to feel it like it locks right in place. It's actually genius. Yeah, already locked in right there. As you can see right here, this is what it looks like, and ba-bang, we are in place, nice and in there. And you get your little ratcheting, you get a wrench, a ratchet right on there, and we'll tighten that down. Perfect. You don't have to really move a whole lot of things. Something to wire me, but then take this. When first getting in, you might have to go a little bit shorter, but you have to try everything over the bracket. But I take this, let's go straight in here. Take it, go straight back, right here, and voila, there we are. Again, put your ratchet on there, and we'll tighten that down. And it's right in there. See? Perfection. So that's the best and easiest way to really go about it. If you don't want to remove like the whole bumper, go from the bottom there, stuff like that, and you don't have to remove the dipstick on the exhaust manifold, that's how you get to it. So put this thing on there, you're ready to rock and roll. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. There's your quick tip. If you need tools like this I worked on, check my links down below. I'll be able to help you out, talk about it. So leave a couple comments if you need to. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and then go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this and much more. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. GT Sam, I'll catch you next time.